Alright guys, we finally got our transmission cross member and the drive shaft. Guy brought it to us last night, so today we're going to go ahead and try to get this thing together, put the transmission in, go ahead and finish up getting it running, and let's get to it. Oh, we got it jacked up. Transmission's right here. Got a torque converter in. And our turbo 350 to LS fucking torque converter spacer. We're gonna go ahead and get it up in there. Start trying to get this thing back together. Hopefully we can get it running today. Ready? Yeah.
I'll pull it towards me when it's time.
Yeah, 15 ratchet. Socket.
Woo!
Yeah. We're in there.
Yeah, the space is still right in.
Alright, well, we got the transmission in, but upon further inspection, this cross member is not the right one. It's for a 71-72 Skylark, but apparently there's a difference between the soft top and the hard top. So, I guess we still got cross member issues. But for the time being, while we try to figure that situation out, I'm going to go ahead and start getting the motor together. Water pump, pulleys, all that stuff. So, we can get back at it. Alright, went over to Advanced Auto and got some new water pump gaskets for it. Got the block mating surface cleaned up. Go ahead and get this thing on there. Well, I guess that's going to wrap it up for today's video. We got our water pump on. We got the transmission in. We still have cross member issues. We got our power steering pump on, alternator, power steering lines. We got the hoses ran. I still got to go get some clamps, but for those of you who do not know, these are stock truck hoses and they fit pretty much perfect. But that's pretty much going to wrap it up. Oh, also, I was going to do the wiring harness today, but I had realized that this manifold, this intake manifold, doesn't have the port in the back for the brake booster vacuum. So I have an intake manifold at my house that I'm going to be bringing tomorrow, and I'm going to go ahead and get that on there so that we can get the harness on and put the fuel pump in and get this thing wired up and ready to go. Other than that, we're going to be waiting on the cross member and try to figure that situation out. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe. Y'all have a good night.